I was born and raised in the Midwest, with cold winters and beautiful summers. When I went out west to the desert, I didn't know what to expect. Would it all be like this? Or maybe like this? Or even like this? There are dirt roads all through the desert.
You think so? Oh, could be. Look at that. Alright, well, we can drive up a little bit further. You guys see this? Yeah, we are on another dirt road. Because? Why because? Because that's the only way to get to where we want to go.
The BLM recommends high clearance and four-wheel drive vehicles on most of these roads out here in the desert. You can see here why the BLM says you need to have high clearance vehicles out here.
This is quite the little road.
This is a road?
It's kind of like a road.
When driving through the desert, you never know what you're going to see.
This is just so interesting to see. Stop for a minute, I gotta show this one. Here we go. Check this out. Oh, so cool. Duty, integrity, honor. Non-fishing. Definitely a memorial. Lots of fireball bottles here.
You see animal trails all over out here in the desert too. I wonder what made these. Maybe this did. Oh wait, he's not real. Oh. Some of the things that you see out here in the are man-made, like this compass rose. This is a place that a lot of people have picked to camp for the winter. People come from all over America to Arizona to escape the cold weather in the north. Many of these dots that you see out here are campers that have come from as far away as Canada. A lot of the campers down here are from Canada. And who knows from where else. So I decided to set up my camp down here too. Because this part of Arizona has something very special in the desert. Just across the road and across the little strip of desert, there's a very beautiful thing. It's a lake. A lake that you don't see very often out here in the desert. There's boating out here, fishing, swimming. See a bunch of people on kayaks and even wakeboards.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.